Researchers have discovered a heat-loving amoeba that pushes the known limits of eukaryotic life. Found in a neutral pH hot stream at Lassen Volcanic National Park in California, Incendiamoeba cascadenis thrives at temperatures that would destroy typical complex cells. In culture, it grew robustly at 57 degrees Celsius, continued dividing at 63 degrees Celsius, and was still motile at 64 degrees Celsius. Even at 70 degrees C, it could form dormant cysts that revived when cooled. Previously, the upper known temperature tolerance for eukaryotes, such as certain fungi and red algae, was about 60 degrees C, far below this amoeba's performance. The discovery challenges assumptions that only bacteria and archaea can dominate such extreme environments, and suggests that high-temperature eukaryotes may be more common than thought, with implications for astrobiology and biotechnology.